Good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to format a floppy disk drive on Windows 11. Now, Windows 11 can be a little bit tricky because, as you can see, when we open up the files, if we go ahead and go to floppy disk drive A, which is what this is plugged into, if I insert an unformatted floppy disk with the write protection tab not punched out, all right, if I try to open this, it's just going to freeze and it's going to crash the Explorer. This, I don't know why it does that. I think it's a Windows 11 thing. I don't know. So what you can go ahead and do is hit Windows R. You're going to type CMD to get open to the command prompt. Once you're in command prompt, you're going to type the format command. Now we're going to format this in the command prompt because if you try to right click and format this, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's already, once you right click, it's going to try and read it. If you try to format in here, same issue, it just crashes. So you're going to do format A, or whatever the letter is for your drive, and then we're going to do colon space slash fs colon, or for file system, and then selecting the file system as FAT, which is what we're going to use. And once you hit enter, it's going to verify, or it's going to ask you to insert a new disk actually. And then once you hit enter again, after you've inserted the disk into the drive, it's now going to verify the size, and then it's going to see how it says the file system is fat. Okay, so that's interesting because normally it'll say it's raw. If it's fat, it's already been formatted. If it's raw, you will get an error. So this one, it looks like I thought was a new one, but I guess is not. Or well, new, you know. Um, so, but you'll have to do it this way. When it says raw, it's not going to work in Windows at all. It's not going to show up in disk management. It's not going to show up anywhere other than File Explorer just showing floppy disk A. You can't access it. So you're going to have to wait for it to do this. Do not quick format it. I would not recommend that. So this is just going to take a while. Now, once it's finished and has initialized the drive, it's going to ask you to enter a volume label. I am not going to put a volume label on this one, but you can name it whatever you want. And then it's going to ask you if you want to format another one. In this case, I do not, so we are going to just type no or N. And now you should be able to enter into the file system. You can now create a file. We'll just call it test.txt. We'll just open this and we'll type, this is a test. And then I save it. It's going to take a while to save, but once it's saved, you should now be able to. So now, as you can see, we've created a file. We can just open it back up and boom, this is a test. It shows here.